Hey, I'm your host Jeremy. This is Lingo. Yes, in this lesson, we're going to learn how to say go to hell in Chinese. So, how to express your anger? You say go to hell or go yourself, right? How to express the anger in Chinese? Well, that's the nice part we're going to learn. And there are different expressions to show different degrees of your anger. And the first one we're going to learn is 滚,滚. It's like go away or get the hell out of here. It's more like go to hell, go to hell. So what kind of situation you use 滚? So for example, your boyfriend, right? Say he forgot your birthday or anniversary. You say go to hell, 滚. Very simple, brief, easy. The next expression is 见鬼吧, 见鬼吧. It's like a see a ghost, or go to see a ghost. 见鬼吧. That is the second degree of your anger. So here is a situation you can use 见鬼去吧, 见鬼去吧. For example, you caught your boyfriend, sending his picture or texting with the other girls. So pretty mad, right? Because 他给你戴绿帽子了, right? We're talking about 绿帽子. And you're very mad. You say 见鬼去吧, 见鬼去吧. Okay. You caught him sending messages to the other girls, right? And he said, we're just friends, but those message contents pretty lured. So your boyfriend said to you, 我们就是朋友, and you said 见鬼去吧, 见鬼去吧, see a ghost, because ghosts can't believe you're saying your words. I don't believe that. I don't buy that shit. The third degree of your anger is really intense, it's really serious. It's 去死吧, 去死吧. It's like go to die, which is very serious. So this situation, you use like somebody owe you like $30,000 and he didn't pay you back, or somebody done something really bad to you. You said to them 去死吧, 去死吧. This is like seriously, don't use this like at the situation, only use this expression in a very severe situation because it's going to hurt a lot of people. These words have very strong annotation to express your anger. Alright, so next time, if you want to express your anger, go to hell, think about it degrees. You can say 滚, you can say 见鬼去吧, or really, really furious, 去死吧, 去死吧. Alright. I'm your host Jeremy and this is Lingo Yes. If you like our program, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and Google Lingo Yes. And I will see you in the next episode. Bye bye.